How to download PDF file from Scribd. So if you want to download PDF file from Scribd, then this video is for you. So let me tell you that this video does not show how to bypass protections or break access controls. That's illegal in many places. Instead, I'll just simply show the correct way to get files you own or you have permission to use or download. So just take a PDF file. And once you find your PDF, you want to download the PDF file from Scribd, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with download, which is here on the top, and then click on PDF and then click on download. But before that, make sure that you have an account. Just simply go and log into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you need to create one, because without logging in, you won't be able to download. So make sure that you're logged in. So once you've logged in, you just need to simply go and select the PDF. And then here on the left side, you will have the download, or here on the top, you will have the download. You just need to simply go and download it, and it will start the downloading process. That's how you can download PDF files from Scribd. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.